Tuna.
Yeah, Blackie Alley Cat's having tuna.
An alley cat. An alley cat don't have. Well, I guess an alley cat. He's a Wild Woods cat.
Wildwoods, yeah, let's just call him that. Wildwoods cat. He's like a
Our
little.
outdoor cat.
He's like a little devil.
Blackstack, our tomcat.
Look.
A serving of tuna.
Closer. Looky at him.
If he stops at that, if he don't. Not I'll give him more. Don't pull anything off of here, okay? Because the computer's up here. Yeah,
I see.
serious.
The Blackie Alley Cat.
Pay attention to what you're doing. You
Look
need to
at
eat
this.
things.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. His butt went high. His butt went high. And now let's get a close up on the tuna.
Tuna.
Let's see. Yeah, what's in your ear? I don't know.
Nicholas, back it up a little bit, buddy.
Blue.
Now, the end of the video, and come and eat your breakfast. You have 3 minutes.
I know I have 3 lessons. Blackie Alley Cat is cute.